Tired of living on autopilot? Want to reprogram your mind and become the best version of yourself? At Mentality Top, we talk to you about Joe Dispenza. Discover the power of your mind with Joe Dispenza, the scientist who will teach you how to hack your brain and change your reality. In this video, you will learn with the pioneer of neuroscience how your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs directly impact your health, well-being, and success. We share now some of his best-known phrases. Pay attention to the wise words of Joe Dispenza. Our destiny begins in our thoughts. Your mind, the magnet that attracts your destiny. Discover the power of your thoughts. Do you want to become the architect of your own reality? The key is in your thoughts. As Dyer said, our destiny begins in our thoughts. This phrase holds a powerful truth. Your thoughts are the seeds that shape your life. How does it work? It's simple. Your thoughts lead you to make decisions. The decisions you make lead to actions. Actions lead to experiences. Experiences ultimately create your results. See how it all connects? Prosperity, success, happiness, it all starts in your mind. To cultivate a prosperous mind, eliminate limiting beliefs. Focus on the positive. Visualize your goals. Repeat positive affirmations. Surround yourself with inspiring people. What you sow mentally, you reap materially. Remember, your thoughts are like magnets. They attract to you what you focus on. Want to attract abundance, success, and happiness? Start by reprogramming your mind.